My child has crooked teeth. Should I be concerned? Dental crowding is a term used by dentists to describe crooked teeth. It can be caused by a difference in the size of the teeth and jaws. It may be due to normal-sized teeth in small jaws, oversized teeth in normal-sized jaws, or oversized teeth in a small jaw. What causes dental crowding? There are many causes of dental crowding, and several factors may be involved. Some cannot be modified, such as heredity, while others can be abnormal habits, such as the use of a bottle or pacifier after the age of 2, finger sucking, or the interposition of the tongue between the jaws. Is dental crowding normal in childhood? Yes, it is very common for children to have crooked teeth. This is because the first permanent teeth appear in a child's mouth when the jaws are still small. However, it is important to monitor whether these teeth remain crooked as the child grows. What to do to prevent dental crowding? You can help prevent crowding by limiting your child's abnormal habits, such as the prolonged use of a bottle or pacifier, finger sucking, or thrusting the tongue between the jaws. It is also important to take your child to a dentist on a regular basis to monitor the health of their teeth and prevent early tooth loss. What to do if my child has crowded teeth? If your child has crowded teeth, it is important to have them evaluated by a dentist to determine the best treatment plan. In many cases, it can be solved with early orthodontics. This consists of using removable or fixed dental appliances to correct the position of the teeth and improve the appearance and function of the mouth. In conclusion, dental crowding in children can be normal to some degree, but it is important to have a professional evaluation to determine if treatment is necessary. Prevention is key to avoiding future crowding problems. Therefore, maintain good oral hygiene for them, take your child to a regular dental visit, and provide a balanced diet low in sugar. Thank you very much for what you have explained. If you have any questions about this or other topics, you can contact us at Channel Island Family Dental, as well as our Facebook page. We look forward to your visit, and we will make a timely diagnosis. Our dentists in Oxnard, St. Paul Adventure, Newbury Park, and Port Hueneme will be able to guide you towards the best treatment to take care of your health and give you back your best smile.